guys, welcome to Her Delicious Cooking. Yeah, I am now making the Cheetos chicken strips. So I got the mixtures right here. And yeah, so we're gonna do a couple of strips, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip. I have my egg over here if you can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna dip some in the egg, and then I'm going to do my coating. Okay, do my coating like that, one coating, and then dip it in the egg again. Then I'm gonna do my Cheetos. Okay, so yeah, and that's how we're gonna do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to coat this or whatever, put the stuff on top of the Cheeto, put the Cheetos on top of the chicken strip. Okay, and that's how I'm gonna do it. I left a little bit of crunches on it because I want it to be crunchy. So yeah. Okay, and that's how I got it done. All right, you guys, I am coating the chicken strip with the Cheetos. So it's looking kind of good here. It's looking kind of good. Okay, I'm actually coating it. So yeah, we're gonna let it sit. I'm gonna lay this, trying to coat it, you guys, trying to coat it. And then as I continue to coat the other strip, chicken strips, I'm gonna lay that over. I'm gonna do the rest, and then we're gonna put it to fry. So I got the oil cooking or whatever. I got the oil being hot. So I'm gonna lay my Cheeto down in there. Ooh, I hope it's hot enough. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, you guys, let's see how this turns out. Alrighty, so you can see it. I'm gonna lay the other Cheeto here. Chicken cutlet. And then we're gonna lay the other one right there. And we're gonna let those fry. Okay. We're gonna let those actually fry. Let that get up in there. Okay. Let those cook. I'm gonna slide this over just a little so you guys can see. Okay. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna let these Cheeto chicken strips fry. And yeah, I will be right back. So far they are looking good. So I'm gonna turn them over. Okay. Ooh, I see it's frying really well. I turn this one over. I don't want to, yeah. Okay. So yeah, they are frying really well. Okay. And then we're going to turn this one over. Ooh, I don't want to burn myself. All right, so they are frying pretty good. Okay, you guys. So yeah, they're frying pretty well. Got them on low heat. So yeah, these are frying pretty well. Okay, and we're gonna see the aftermath of what it's going to look like. All right. Okay, I got it on low cook, but they looking like something. They looking like something. They looking like something. I'm cooking them up, frying them up. They looking like something, something, something. All right. So yeah, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also follow your girl, her delicious cooking. And I will see you guys soon. I hope you guys like the strips. I left a little crunch on top of it. This is my first time cooking the Cheetos tender strips. But yeah, so they looking good. You know, I'm going to take them out and put them on a plate. See you guys soon. Yeah, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it.